Welcome to the Zeal Nutri channel. Today we will discuss how to grow thick eyebrows and eyelashes naturally. Eyebrows and eyelashes play an important role to groom a person's personality. Everyone wants thick and well-shaped eyebrows because they look better. There are different ways to grow eyebrows and eyelashes naturally. 1. Castor oil. It is one of the best natural remedies to grow thick eyebrows naturally. It contains vitamins, protein, antioxidants, and fatty acids that can boost hair follicles and speed up hair growth. How to use it? Take a cotton swab and dip it in castor oil, then apply it to your eyebrow. Gently massage your eyebrows for about 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for at least 30 minutes. Rinse it off with face wash and warm water. Repeat this procedure daily for a couple of weeks until you see the noticeable result. It may cause a burning or irritation sensation in some people. If you see any side effects, immediately stop using it. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has moisturizing properties naturally. It contains enzymes that can repair hair follicles and speed up hair growth. How to use it? Take the aloe vera plant and extract the gel, apply the gel and then massage it gently to your eyebrows. Leave it for about 25 to 30 minutes, rinse it off with face wash and lukewarm water. The second way to apply. Take half teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix it with a little coconut oil or honey. Apply it over your eyebrows, leave it for about 25 to 30 minutes, rinse it with lukewarm water. Repeat this procedure daily for a couple of weeks to get desired results. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the amazing home remedies for growing thick eyebrows and lashes naturally and effectively than castor oil. Coconut oil contains protein, iron, and vitamin E that can make your eyebrows thick and healthy. Furthermore, it can also give a naturally darker look to your eyebrows. How to use it? Apply a small quantity of coconut oil to your eyebrows or eyelashes. Gently massage eyebrows for 3 to 5 minutes to increase blood circulation. Leave it on overnight. Wash your face the next morning. Repeat this treatment daily for at least 1 month to get perfect results. 4. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, 3, can be used as a moisturizer. It prevents moisture from escaping. Petroleum jelly is one of the amazing home remedies. How to use it? Take and apply petroleum jelly to your eyebrows, leave it overnight, wash it off in the morning with lukewarm water. However, it is not suitable for oily skin types because of its high oil content. 5. Lavender oil. Lavender oil has calming effects. It can prevent hair loss when applied to your hair. Lavender oil is also one of the amazing home remedies to grow thick eyebrows. How to use it? Take and apply lavender oil to your eyebrows. After completing the application, leave it overnight. It may cause rashes and allergies in some people. Therefore, you should test it on your wrist before application. Subscribe to my channel.